Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to get a voyage in Sea of Thieves. To begin your adventure, you'll first need to acquire a voyage. These are essentially quests that guide you and your crew to exciting challenges and valuable rewards across the open seas. You can find these voyages by speaking with representatives from the various trading companies located at outposts. They'll offer you a selection of tasks to undertake. Once you've decided which company to work with, simply approach their representative. They'll present you with a list of available voyages. Take a moment to review each one, considering the type of adventure it offers and the potential rewards. Some voyages might be quick treasure hunts, while others could involve battling formidable foes. After making your selection, you can purchase the voyage using your in-game gold. With a voyage in hand, head back to your ship. On board, you'll find the voyage table. Interact with it to propose the voyage you've chosen. Your crewmates will then need to vote on it. Once the majority agrees, the voyage officially begins. You'll see the voyage details appear in your quest radial, providing you with the necessary clues and directions to embark on your next grand adventure. Sea of Thieves offers a variety of voyage types, each with unique objectives and rewards. Gold Hoarders voyages typically involve following treasure maps to dig up chests. The Order of Souls will send you on bounties to defeat powerful skeleton captains. Merchant Alliance voyages focus on delivering specific cargo, like animals or valuable goods, within a time limit. Choose the voyages that best suit your crew's playstyle and desired loot.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.